What's up, guys? So really bummed out right now. Was having a great day. Came home, weather was awesome. Was messing with the DR a little bit. It's been running really crappy since setting over the winter. But, which is expected. I fully expected to have to go through the carb a little bit. It probably didn't start for 6 months. But messing with the carb, and I just kind of get to looking, and I noticed this horrible disaster right here. I noticed my cushions back here were sticking out of the hub. So then I started looking, and I see where my swing arm has been grinding into this mount plate for the sprocket. I don't know how this happened. I don't know if the nut backed off on the axle. I don't know if there should have been a spacer in here and it wasn't there. I don't have the slightest clue. I'm going to bring up the schematic and get the rear wheel off and see what the heck's going on. But yeah, my sprocket has been basically rubbing the chain guard mount right there. It's just, I didn't even notice this when I was riding it. Neither did anybody else, but this could have really could have locked up on me or broke and came apart coming down the road. That's dangerous, and I'm super bummed out right now because I'm just, in the next couple days, just about to pull the trigger on the new carb I need for my mule to get it going. It's like $400. And then I see this, and this is probably going to be, I don't know how much this kind of mount for the sprocket is, but knowing Suzuki, it's not cheap. Could cost me hundreds of dollars to fix this. So, bummer, because this is my main, my newest, nicest dual sport adventure bike. I was hoping to go on a ride this weekend. So, I don't know. We'll see what we can do. I still got the KLR, trusty old KLR. And I can borrow the girlfriend's CRF 250 if I need to. It's just a little slow for an old fat guy like me. So, bummer on the DR, but I'll keep you guys updated, let you know what's up with it.